Dere tirita ria mbere mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ya aruti wira COTU kwandikithia munini wa president AMURAGWO ni president hindi ya githurano ndomereri ya Atwoli umuthi ikierekererio kuri munini wa president Rigathi GACHAGUA uria Atwoli augite ni arakira mihaka na kuona ta AIKARIIRIE giturwa kimwe na president.
The president should be an appointee of the president, not a running mate. Because when he becomes a running mate, he feels he's also a president. President William Samoei Ruto is out of the country and is on top of his car. Now he's the real president, misleading people, misguiding the nation. He must be arrested.
Atwoli augite GACHAGUA ndabatie gukorwo na uge munene maundu-ini ma mwathanire thirikari-ini akiuga we gukorwo akirekereria mĩario irareana na murugamo wa thirikari uronania ihoro riria ririho utongoria-ini wake.
He has an access to State House. He has the president's telephone. Let him not contradict his boss in the public. Those are bad manners.
Ndugamano iria koretwo ho kwa ihinda gatagati ka governor wa Nairobi na munini wa president ni erega kwiyumiria ica-ini nguhi iguru rigie guthamio kwa ahuri biashara aria mendagiria muthurwa na marigiti na gutwarwo Kangundo Road. Riu Atwoli agiukirira GACHAGUA ni kuregana na itua ria county ya Nairobi itwa-ini riri.
But contradicting yourself in public, it shows a big deficit in leadership. And I want to urge my friends DP to style up, and in future I think the time with the opportunities now, we need to amend our constitution.
IHINDAINI riu amwe ya MCAs kiama-ini kia UDA kaunti ya Nairobi na wamenereirie uteti utari na kihariro uria ukoretwo kiingirio utongoria-ini wa kaunti ya Nairobi undu uria maugite ni urahotomia ukinyanirie wa tafarira kuri muingi.
Na tunawaita viongozi wetu waambie wanasiasa wetu wa tone down kidogo, kwa sababu ile njia tunaenda sio mzuri katika nchi hii na especially katika kaunti hii. Tunauliza rais na deputy wake waite wanasiasa wetu na wawaambie wakome siasa ambazo zinaweza gawanyisha watu wetu.
Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini ya Nairobi Mark Mugambi, MCAs aya oho na mamenereirie atongoria aria marageria kugayukania muingi na mithingi ya gikabira mĩario yao ikionekana kurongoreria munini wa president riu makihinyiriria governor Sakaja aheo kanya atungatire muingi.
Ndire mukenu tondu riria siasa cireko cigekirwo thiini wa town center andu aria marahurwo ni undu ucio ni andu aria metagwo ahuri a biashara Nairobi gatagati.
Nairobi ni county ambayo ni ya jamii zote, very cosmopolitan, na inahitaji ya kwamba ikuwe handled kwa makini sana. Statements zozote kwa wakubwa ambazo zinaweza tugawanyisha kama wana Nairobi, zinatudhuru kama wananchi, kama viongozi, kama biashara.